The everyday routine is changing, and with it, the way we use our tools. What once seemed ordinary now feels futuristic, clever, and built to make life easier. These aren't just tools, they're little sparks of innovation that will leave you amazed and eager to try them. 1A Van Brushless Electric Planer is one of those tools that instantly makes you feel like a pro in your own workshop. With a blazing speed of 30,000 rotations per minute and a max planing width of 82 millimeters, this cordless beast can smooth, trim, and cut wood with incredible precision. The adjustable depth control lets you fine-tune from 0 to 2 millimeters, which means you can handle everything from delicate touch-ups to more demanding cuts. What makes it stand out is the aluminum base with a V-shaped guide groove, giving you stability and cleaner lines while working. Add to that a large chip outlet that prevents clogging, and you've got a tool that's as smart as it is powerful. Comfort has not been forgotten either, thanks to a soft rubber handle that keeps your hands steady without tiring them out. Whether you are shaping, sanding, or trimming, this planer feels like a magic wand for wood. The Outego cordless electric pruner is the kind of tool that makes you wonder why you ever bothered with manual shears. Designed with a brushless motor and packing 600 watts of power, it slices through branches up to 25 millimeters thick with ease. That means whether you are tidying up your backyard trees, shaping bushes, or working in a vineyard, this pruner gets the job done in seconds without straining your hands. The blades are made from high carbon steel, so they stay sharp and durable even after heavy use. What really makes it convenient is the pair of 21-volt batteries included, each with 1500 milliamp hours of capacity, so you can keep working without frustrating interruptions. Its lightweight PVC body keeps it comfortable to hold, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during longer pruning sessions. The 1A 10-inch brushless electric lawnmower is a real game-changer for anyone who wants a tidy garden without the hassle of cords or fuel. With an incredible 36,000 rotations per minute, this cordless trimmer makes cutting grass and weeds feel effortless. The brushless motor not only delivers smooth and powerful performance, but also handles heat better, meaning a longer life for the tool. One of the coolest features is its versatility, thanks to 3 different blade types: a plastic blade for lawn trimming, a metal blade for tougher weeds, and an alloy saw blade for shrubs or even small crops. Add to that a telescopic handle that stretches from 113 to 133 centimeters, plus a folding design for easy storage, and you have a mower that adapts to any job. The multi-angle adjustable head lets you trim awkward spots without bending and straining. The DC 24-volt 96-watt mini table saw is a compact powerhouse that brings professional precision right to your workbench. Despite its small size, this little machine is built from sturdy aluminum alloy and cold-rolled steel, giving it durability and stability for all sorts of DIY projects. With a 7-speed adjustable motor that reaches up to 6,000 rotations per minute, you can easily adapt the cutting speed to match different materials, from wood and plastics to aluminum alloy and even circuit boards. The blade cuts up to 14 millimeters deep, perfect for model making, crafts, and small woodworking tasks where accuracy is everything. A clear acrylic protective cover keeps your hands safe without blocking your view, while the built-in vacuum hose connection means you can cut without making a giant mess. It is light, portable, and fits perfectly in a small workshop, or even on a desk. The Suckspy 1400-watt demolition jackhammer is the kind of tool that makes even the toughest jobs feel conquerable. With a beastly motor delivering up to 2,900 blows per minute, this electric jackhammer is built to tear through concrete, brick, asphalt, and just about anything else that stands in its way. It comes with 2 solid chisel bits so you can switch between breaking and chiseling, depending on the task. Despite its raw power, it is designed with usability in mind, featuring heavy-duty construction for stability and an ergonomic handle that helps absorb vibration, making long jobs more manageable. Perfect for renovation crews or anyone tackling serious construction projects, this hammer is about brute strength paired with reliable design. Imagine standing over a stubborn concrete slab, pulling the trigger, and watching it crumble beneath you like it is made of cookies. That is the kind of power we are talking about here. The Uni TS09D flexible clamp meter is a clever piece of gear designed to make measuring high currents a whole lot easier, even in tight or awkward spaces. Instead of a bulky clamp, it uses a Rogowski coil, a flexible loop that can wrap around conductors of different shapes and sizes, giving you safe and reliable readings all the way up to 3,000 amperes. That makes it a perfect companion for professional electricians who deal with heavy-duty equipment. The coil itself is 45.7 centimeters long, lightweight, and tough enough to handle daily use, even drop-proof up to 1 meter. It covers a wide frequency range from 45 to 500 Hz and offers multiple ranges: 30 amperes, 300 amperes, and 3,000 amperes. So you are always working with the right scale. Compatible with UT206B and UT208B meters, it connects smoothly and instantly displays current values. Imagine slipping this flexible clamp into a cramped electrical panel where a rigid clamp would never fit, and getting an accurate reading in seconds. That is the kind of convenience it brings. The JCD8208 Micro Hot Air Gun is a compact yet powerful rework station that is perfect for anyone working with electronics or DIY soldering projects. With 750 watts of output power and an adjustable temperature range from 100 to 480 degrees Celsius, it gives you the control you need for delicate jobs like BGA, SMD, and IC repairs. The LCD display makes it easy to dial in the exact settings, while the brushless fan provides smooth airflow up to 150 liters per minute. It even has a smart feature that automatically stops the rotation when the temperature drops below 70 degrees, saving energy and extending the tool's life. You also get multiple nozzles for different applications, making it versatile whether you are desoldering chips, shrinking heat tubes, or even using it as a quick drying tool. Imagine holding this lightweight gun in your hand, adjusting the airflow with a tap, and watching solder melt precisely where you want it, like magic under your control. The RIEVBCAU Surso DM9 digital microscope takes the hidden details of the world and puts them right on your screen with crystal clarity. Offering up to 1,200 times magnification, this handheld microscope is perfect for electronics repair, soldering work, or simply exploring the microscopic world out of curiosity. It features a full HD camera capable of both photos and video, with resolutions reaching up to 16 megapixels for stills and 1080 Full HD for video. The manual focus lets you adjust from 10 to 40 millimeters, and with 10 built-in LED lights, you always get a bright and clear view, even in tricky lighting conditions. Thanks to its USB connection, it works smoothly with Windows and Mac systems, making it a great tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. The aluminum alloy body adds durability, while its portable design keeps it easy to use anywhere. Picture yourself zooming in on a circuit board and suddenly seeing tiny solder joints as big as mountains. That is the kind of detail this microscope reveals. The DSPIAEESA Reciprocating Sonder is a dream tool for hobbyists and model makers who want precision without the hassle. Designed like an electric grinding pen, it gives you smooth, controlled sanding in spots that normal sandpaper just cannot reach. It comes with 8 different sanding heads, from flat to rounded and irregular shapes, making it super versatile whether you are working on plastic models, miniatures, or even fine details on DIY crafts. The self-adhesive sandpapers snap on easily, and with multiple grits included, you can move from rough shaping to silky smooth finishes in no time. What makes it extra smart is its overload protection system, powered by an intelligent chip that shuts off automatically if too much pressure is applied, keeping both the tool and your project safe. The rechargeable battery charges in about 20 minutes and runs for up to 100 minutes, which is plenty for long creative sessions. This 16 or 12 line 4D green laser level is like having a futuristic grid projector for your construction or renovation projects. With full 360-degree coverage both horizontally and vertically, it throws out razor-sharp green beams that are far easier to see than traditional red ones, even in brighter environments. The self-leveling feature keeps everything perfectly aligned within a 4-degree range, so you do not have to worry about uneven setups throwing off your measurements. It runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that gives up to 6 hours of continuous use, making it reliable for long work sessions. Built tough with IP54 protection, it resists dust, water, and shocks, so it is ready for both indoor and outdoor jobs. Whether you are installing tiles, hanging cabinets, or setting up partitions, this tool turns tedious measuring into a smooth, accurate process. The MILC X5 Laser Rangefinder is a pocket-sized measuring tool that replaces the old tape measure with futuristic precision. Compact at just 120 by 48 by 27 millimeters, it slips easily into your pocket but packs impressive power, with a measuring range from 30 all the way up to 100 meters, depending on the version you choose. Accuracy is spot on within plus or minus 2 millimeters, making it ideal for construction, interior design, or even quick DIY projects around the house. Powered by simple batteries, it is always ready to go without complicated setups. Some models even include Bluetooth, like the D5T, so you can transfer data directly to your phone or tablet for seamless project tracking. Whether you are calculating room dimensions, checking ceiling height, or planning furniture placement, this tool makes the job faster and much more fun. The ANENG 681 rechargeable digital multimeter is like having an entire electrical lab in the palm of your hand. Compact and rugged, this meter automatically detects and measures voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and even temperature, making it a true all-rounder for electricians, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts. It handles DC voltage up to 1000 volts and AC voltage up to 750 volts, with currents up to 10 amperes. So it is more than capable for both household and professional tasks. The large LCD screen is easy to read, with backlight and analog bar display for quick visual checks. Extra features include a flashlight, non-contact voltage detection, auto shutdown, data hold, and even a low-power reminder, so you are never caught off guard. It is rechargeable too, meaning no more scrambling for spare batteries mid-project. The 68-in-1 electric precision screwdriver set is the ultimate toolkit for anyone who loves fixing, tinkering, or building. Packed with 64 different precision bits covering everything from Torx and Phillips to flatheads, this set can handle smartphones, laptops, cameras, watches, and even tiny eyeglass screws with ease. Powered by a brushless motor, it offers 5 torque settings ranging from delicate 0.25 Nm up to 0.35 Nm, plus manual torque for tougher jobs, giving you just the right control for every task. The rechargeable battery lasts through an impressive 400 screws per charge, and with a handy Type-C port, recharging is quick and simple. What makes it even cooler is the magnetic screw holder and magnetizer, so you will never fumble with tiny screws again. They just snap securely into place. Everything comes in a sleek magnetic storage case with a satisfying pop-up design that keeps your tools neatly organized. Picture yourself swapping a laptop battery or repairing a game console, the screwdriver gliding effortlessly while every tiny piece stays perfectly under control. The Braided welding torch with piezo trigger ignition is a rugged and reliable tool built for serious heating, soldering, and brazing jobs. Designed to run on May-peak gas or propane, it reaches an incredible flame temperature of up to 2000 degrees Celsius. Perfect for HVAC work, plumbing, or even hobby welding projects. With its CGA 600 connection, it fits the standard 14 to 16 ounce cylinders that are widely available, and it can run continuously for up to 160 minutes on a single tank. The rotating torch tube adds flexibility, letting you work comfortably at different angles without wrestling with the cylinder. Thanks to the piezo ignition, getting the flame going is as simple as pressing a trigger. No need for lighters or matches. Available in professional, standard, and DIY versions, you can pick the one that best suits your needs, whether you are a tradesperson or just tackling occasional repairs at home. Picture yourself firing it up, the blue flame roaring to life and making quick, clean work of copper pipes like butter on a hot pan. The DECO MMA Series ARC Welder is a compact but powerful welding machine that makes metalwork accessible whether you are a beginner or an experienced welder. Running on standard 220-volt input, it delivers a current range from 20 up to 200 amperes, strong enough to handle mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, and even cast iron. Thanks to IGBT inverter technology, it produces a stable arc with smooth welds and deeper penetration, while staying efficient and lightweight. Weighing just 3.2 kilograms and fitted with a shoulder strap, it is easy to carry to workshops, farms, or construction sites. Features like hot start, anti-sticking, and arc force take the frustration out of welding by preventing electrodes from sticking and ensuring quick arc ignition. Safety is built in too, with overheat, overcurrent, and overload protection. Imagine repairing a metal gate in your backyard, striking an arc instantly, and laying down a clean bead that looks like it was done in a professional shop, all with a machine you can sling over your shoulder. The 6-in-1 brushless 21-volt cordless pressure washer is the perfect blend of power, portability, and versatility for all your cleaning needs. Packing a copper brushless motor that pushes out up to 652 pounds per square inch of pressure, it makes quick work of dirt, mud, and grime, whether on your car, bike, garden tools, patio, or even the driveway. The included 3.0 amp-hour battery gives you up to 45 minutes of continuous cleaning. And with a fast charger, you are back in action in no time. The star of the show is its 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle, letting you switch between spray patterns on the fly from a pinpoint jet to a wide shower, plus a foaming pot for soapy washes. You can draw water from a bucket, pool, or river using the 5-meter hose with filter basket, making it super convenient for outdoor use where taps are not handy. Imagine blasting mud off your mountain bike after a trail ride, then switching modes to gently rinse your plants, all with the same lightweight spray gun. The 3-in-1 router milling groove bracket is a clever little jig that takes your woodworking precision to the next level. Made from sturdy aluminum, this tool acts as a reliable assistant for cutting slots, milling grooves, and even creating perfect circles with your router. Its compact size, just 40 by 11 by 3 centimeters, makes it easy to carry around the workshop. But do not let its size fool you. It is built to give accurate, repeatable results every time. By guiding your router steadily, it eliminates the guesswork and shaky hands that can ruin a clean cut, especially when you are working on visible joints or decorative details. Whether you are building furniture, crafting wooden decorations, or just improving your shop setup, this jig helps ensure your cuts are smooth and professional looking. Picture yourself gliding the router along, and instead of worrying about slipping off the line, you end up with a flawless groove or a perfect circle that looks like it was done on industrial machinery. The RIEVBCAU cordless oscillating multi-tool is one of those all-in-one gadgets that quickly becomes your go-to for home projects and repairs. Running on an 18 to 20 volt battery, it delivers up to 600 watts of power with an oscillation frequency between 6,000 and 20,000 movements per minute. That means whether you are cutting, sanding, trimming, or polishing, you can adjust the 6 speed settings to suit different materials and tasks. With a 4-degree oscillation angle, it offers smooth, precise cuts while keeping vibration under control. The quick change universal interface makes swapping out accessories a matter of seconds, and the kit includes 22 pieces to cover everything from wood trimming to metal cutting. Designed to work with Makita-compatible batteries, it gives you cordless freedom to move around without being tied to an outlet. Picture yourself tackling a tricky corner where a saw just will not fit, and this compact tool slides in effortlessly, buzzing through the job like a multitasking pocket knife in power tool form. The bumper repair torch and plastic welder kit is a brilliant solution for giving broken plastic parts a second life instead of replacing them. Powered at 50 watts, it heats up quickly and uses special stainless steel staples that melt into the plastic, reinforcing cracks and breaks with surprising strength. Thanks to the corrugated staple design, the repaired spot can handle knocks and twists without snapping again, making it perfect for car bumpers, motorcycle fairings, plastic panels, and more. The tool itself is lightweight at just under ½ kilogram, with an ergonomic grip that sits comfortably in your hand for steady control. Beyond just stapling, it also supports hot cutting, hole repair, tin brazing, and smoothing, so it is a versatile addition to any DIY repair kit. Imagine snapping a bumper corner back into place, sliding a staple into the crack, and watching it fuse together solidly like stitching with heat instead of thread. The 6mm shank CNC straight bit is a must-have for woodworking enthusiasts who want clean, accurate cuts every time. Made from tough tungsten cobalt alloy, it is built for durability and precision, slicing through wood with ease while resisting wear. Available in both single flute and double flute designs, it gives you flexibility depending on the job. The single flute is great for fast, smooth cutting, while the double flute offers finer detail and cleaner edges. Perfect for use in CNC machines or handheld routers, this bit handles flush trimming, slotting, and straight milling with professional results. Whether you are shaping furniture, making wooden decorations, or building detailed projects, it keeps your cuts sharp and consistent. Imagine running your router along a piece of wood and watching it leave behind a flawless edge that looks like it was cut by a machine in a professional workshop. All thanks to this small but mighty cutter.